Good morning, my dear children. I am XII, Department of Chemistry. I welcome you all to this section. Dear children, in our 12th grade syllabus, we have two volumes, first volume and second volume. The first volume we have 1 to 7 lesson. The second volume we have 8 to 15 lesson. That means inorganic 5 lesson, physical chemistry 5 lesson, and organic chemistry 5 lesson. Total 15 lesson. Lesson number 1 to 5 is inorganic chemistry, 6 to 10 physical chemistry, and 11 to 15 organic chemistry. Lesson number 1 means metallurgy, 2 periodic classification number 1, 3 periodic classification number 2, 4 transition and inner transition element, 5th one coordination chemistry. These are all included in the inorganic chemistry. About the physical chemistry, solid state, chemical kinetics, ionic equilibrium, electrochemistry and surface chemistry. These are included in the physical chemistry. Next last part is the organic chemistry. There is hydroxy compounds and either carbonyl compound and carboxylic acid, organic nitrogen compound, biomolecules and chemistry in everyday life. These are all included in the organic chemistry. Okay, so our total theory total mark is 17 marks. Okay, so I hope that is a very important question, very important lessons and very important equations, everything, formulas, everything having. So we can be learned one by one. Before that, today we are going to learn about some reactions, some organic reactions. That means these all reactions are included in the 11th grade and also 12th grade. This is not in the 12th grade or this is not in the 11th grade. No. This is commonly in 11th and 12th grade. Okay. What's the topic means? Grignard reagent. It's very, very important. 11th standard also, the 12th standard also. Grignard reagent. What is about the Grignard reagent? Organometallic halides. Organometallic halides are known as Grignard reagent. What organo group? Organo. Maybe alkyl group or aryl group. One of an organo. Methyl. Metallic. Magnesium metal. Methyl. Magnesium halide. Okay. Methyl. Magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. What's the Grignard reagent? Organometallic halides, that is okay. Example, methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide. One is an alkyl group I am taking here, one magnesium metal, one halogen. Maybe bromine, iodine, fluorine, chlorine, etc. Any one halogen can be taken. So, a very good example is methyl magnesium iodide. Here, some synthetic uses. What's the preparation of primary alcohol, preparation of secondary alcohol, preparation of tertiary alcohol, carboxylic acid, methyl cyanide. These are all some reactions including alkane also. These are all included in the synthetic uses of methyl magnesium iodide, Grignard reagent. Here, who is the father of Grignard? This compound, who is the father of magnesium metallic, methyl magnesium halide. Who is the father of organometallic halides means? One of the French great chemists, French chemist called as Victor Grignard, scientist name, don't forget this. So, now we can be learned one by one. The reactions, very, very important. Today only we are learning only the reactions. This is not in the, this is a general topic, fundamental basic topic. Okay, so try to learn this and write it, and don't forget that you write the assignment. Okay, now please all of you take the note and we can be right, we can be learned one by one. Please all take a note. Okay, today our learning objective to learn about Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? That is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is a Grignard reagent. That is alkanometallic halide are called as Grignard reagent. An example for alkyl. All of you know that on alkyls we are saying ethyl, methyl, propyl, etc. Right? For example, methyl, ethyl, propyl, etc. Magnesium is a common metal, magnesium. Halide means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are all what? Halide. So alkyl magnesium halide is what? Grignard reagent. Organometallic halide. Don't forget that organometallic halides are called as Grignard reagent. An example, very good example is alkyl magnesium halide. Okay. Here listen, first how the Grignard reagent can be prepared. First, how the Grignard reagent can be prepared. First, methyl iodide reacts with magnesium. Okay, methyl iodide. The formula for methyl iodide is CH3I. So, methyl iodide, methyl iodide reacts with magnesium. The presence of dry ether, we get CH3MgI. Here, this Mg metal is occupied on the center in between methyl and iodine. So we get CH3MgI. So what's the name of this compound? Methyl magnesium iodide. What is the example? Can you say? Methyl magnesium iodide, how is prepared? Methyl iodide. What is the formula for methyl iodide? CH3, methyl iodide reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. We get methyl magnesium iodide. This is called what? Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Can you write the equation? It's a very, very important question. How is methyl magnesium iodide? Okay. Methyl iodide reacts with the magnesium in the presence of dry ether. We get what? Methyl magnesium iodide. Okay. Clear? Next, some synthetic use of Grignard reagent. Some synthetic uses. Okay, some synthetic uses of Grignard reagent. By means of Grignard reagent, we are using some important compounds. For example, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. And example for carboxylic acid, etc. etc. Some compounds we can be prepared by means of Grignard reagent. Okay, this is one of the synthetic use. First one, preparation of primary alcohol. Preparation of preparation of primary alcohol. Okay. How the primary alcohol is prepared from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. What is the examples? That is CH3MgI. Okay. Methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl means CH3 magnesium Mgi on reacts with the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula HCH2, am I right? HCH2, formaldehyde. This formaldehyde can be written as C double bond O, hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay. C double bond O, hydrogen, hydrogen. Carbon valence is 4, all of you know that one, because the atomic number of carbon is 6, am I right? Carbon atomic number is 6. First is 2 electrons, second 4 electrons. So valency of carbon is 4, all of you know that. So here we are using 4 bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the formula for formaldehyde? HCH2O, formaldehyde. Okay, this formaldehyde, methyl magnesium iodide, on reacts with the formaldehyde. Here, this methyl is breaks. This methyl is breaks here, and this methyl is attachment to the formaldehyde. Here, this methyl group is attached to this carbon, and the Mgi, this Mgi is attached to the oxygen. Can you understand? First, this methyl group is attachment to the carbon. This Mgi is attached to the oxygen. Methyl is attached to carbon. So we get the product. What is the product that one? What's the product? CH3 is attached to this carbon. So C above hydrogen, below hydrogen, am I right? Here oxygen. So the double bond is converted into single bond. Oh, this Mgi is attached to oxygen. This Mgi. This is one of an addition compound. Am I right? So anyhow, this methyl is attachment to this carbon. The Mgi attached to the oxygen. So what is the product? CH3, C, hydrogen, O, Mgi. This undergoes followed by the addition of acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means H plus H2O. It can be said there is acidified water. Acidified water can be written as or H3O plus. Anyone? Maybe you know this is correct? Okay, this is H plus and H2O or H3O plus hydronium ion. Acidified water. Okay, that is the water have mixed with acid. We are saying acidified water. So anyhow, here undergoes hydrolysis with water, acidified water. Okay, here yes, breaking here. This area is breaking. Water can be written as HOH. Am I right? Water can be written as HOH. So what is our compound? Can you say what is our compound? CH3 CH2 OH. What's the compound? CH3 CH2 OH. CH3 CH2 OH plus Mg OHI. Okay, our expected product is this one. Our expected product, what is that one? CH3 CH2 OH. We are saying ethyl alcohol, otherwise IUPAC is ethanol. This IUPAC concept we can be discussed later. Anyhow, ethyl alcohol. What's the name of this compound? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl. So first I told that the primary alcohol, am I right? The primary alcohol, that is just the ethyl alcohol, the compound having one CH3 group, methyl group, one methyl groups are called as primary alcohol. So by means of the Grignard reagent, we can be prepared primary alcohol. So what's the first use? First synthetic use is preparation of primary alcohol. Preparation of primary alcohol is the first use. Second one, can you write this equation? It's very important, especially for the 11th and 12th standard. It's a very important. Grignard reagent. How the primary alcohol is prepared by using Grignard reagent or methyl magnesium iodide. Okay. Second one, preparation of secondary alcohol. How we can be prepared the secondary alcohol. Okay. Secondary alcohol. For that we are taking methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with acetaldehyde. Okay. Methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with acetaldehyde. Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Preparation of secondary alcohol. Okay, primary alcohol is over. That's the reaction between methyl magnesium iodide with the formaldehyde. What's the formula for formaldehyde? HCHO. Here, methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde can be written as CH3 C double bond O hydrogen. What is the formula for acetaldehyde? CH3 CHO ethanol. Its name is ethanol. Am I right? So acetaldehyde, what is the formula? CH3 CHO. CH3 CHO acetaldehyde. What's the name of the compound? Acetaldehyde. Methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with acetaldehyde. What is the product? It's all of you. This methyl group is attachment to this carbon. Okay. This magnesium iodide on reacts with this oxygen. Attachment to this oxygen. So the methyl is attachment to this carbon. Magnesium iodide is attachment to this oxygen. So what is our expected product? What is our? That means CH3 is attachment to this carbon CH3, below having hydrogen. The double bond is converted to a single bond, so oxygen. The MgI is attachment there. Okay, MgI. Okay, this undergoes acid hydrolysis. Okay, that is H plus water or H3O or H3O plus. Okay, so acidified water. Okay, here what's the formula for water? H2O can be written as H2O. Yes or no? HOH. So what's our product? CH3 CHOH CH3. Yes or no? CH3 CH3 CHOH CH3 CH3 CHOH CH3 plus MgIOH. This is our desired product. Okay, expected product. What's the name of this compound? Isopropyl alcohol. Why we are saying isopropyl alcohol? What's the reason? Because here have one methyl group is a branch chain, am I right? Isopropyl alcohol. What's the name of the compound? Isopropyl compound. But our question is preparation of secondary alcohol. Why we are saying secondary alcohol? A compound having two methyl groups is called as a secondary alcohol. A compound having only one methyl group is called as a primary alcohol. A compound having two methyl groups, so considered as a secondary alcohol. By means of methyl magnesium iodide. That is called as a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent on reacts with acetaldehyde. Our product is isopropyl alcohol. That is called what? Secondary alcohol. Which alcohol? Secondary alcohol. What's about the primary alcohol? Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde. What's the formula for formaldehyde? HCHO. What's the formula? HCHO. This is called the formaldehyde. This compound is called an acetaldehyde. Okay. For the preparation of primary alcohol, you have to take formaldehyde. The preparation of secondary alcohol, you can take acetaldehyde. Okay. Next one is about the tertiary alcohol. Okay. Tertiary alcohol. How is tertiary alcohol is prepared from Grignard reagent. Okay. How is the secondary alcohol is prepared from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Okay. Tertiary alcohol. For the third one is a tertiary alcohol. Preparation of tertiary alcohol. Here we are taking the methyl magnesium iodide, that is CH3MgI. This methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with acetone, that is C double bond O, CH3 acetone. Okay, otherwise called ketone, dimethyl ketone. Okay. Dimethyl ketone. The formula of the compound is dimethyl ketone, otherwise called acetone. Okay. Anyhow, this methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with acetone. What is the formula for acetone? CH3COCH3. Am I right? CH3COCH3. This can be written as CH3 C double bond O CH3. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Am I right? So here carbon valency, don't forget that the valency of carbon is 4. Gas outermost shell having 4 electrons. Don't forget that. Okay. Anyhow, this methyl group is attachment to the carbon. Okay. This MgI is attachment to the oxygen. Can you understand the same concept only? Methyl group is attachment to the carbon and MgI is attachment to the oxygen. So can you say what is our expected product? We get an addition compound. What's that one? The CH3. This methyl group is attachment to this carbon. C above methyl group, below one methyl group. Okay, then oxygen. The double bond is converted to a single bond. Don't forget that. Then MgI attachment here. MgI. Okay. Then again we are followed by the addition of H3O plus. Otherwise H plus plus OH minus. Okay, can be written as like that. Here we are breaking and adding water, HOH. This is an acidified water. Don't forget that. H plus H2O. Don't forget that we are adding only water. Acidified water. So water can be written as HOH. Am I right? Water can be written as HOH. So what is our product? This product CH3 CH3OH. So what is our product? Can you say? CH3 CH3OH. So CH3 CH3OH plus MgOHI. Okay, MgOHI. So what is this product name? Compound name. What's the compound name? That is a tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. What's the meaning of tertiary butyl alcohol? Because we have carbon having 4 carbon. Okay. The one carbon atom is surrounded by 3 methyl group. Am I right? This is a 1 carbon. This carbon is surrounded by 3 methyl groups. So 3 means tertiary. 1 means primary. 2 means secondary. 3 means tertiary. Number of carbon how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So we are saying butyl. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. So don't forget that. The first one, preparation of primary alcohol. How is the primary alcohol prepared? By the reaction between methyl magnesium iodide with the formaldehyde. Don't forget that the formaldehyde. What is the formula for formaldehyde? HCHO, formaldehyde. Okay. Formaldehyde we get a primary alcohol. And secondary alcohol, methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with acetaldehyde. What is the formula for acetaldehyde? CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. We get secondary isopropyl alcohol. Third one is the preparation of tertiary alcohol. That is methyl magnesium iodide reacts with acetone. Otherwise called, we are saying dimethyl ketone. Okay. So what is our expected product? We get tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. Next one of the very important point is preparation of carboxylic acid. Preparation of carboxylic acid. That is, we can be say acetic acid. The common name is acetic acid. As per IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid. How? We prepare the carboxylic acid by use of methyl magnesium iodide. Okay, methyl magnesium iodide. Preparation of fourth application, fourth synthetic use of methyl magnesium iodide is preparation of carboxylic acid, acetic acid. Carboxylic acid, example is acetic acid, otherwise the common IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid. First, methyl magnesium iodide. What is the formula for methyl magnesium iodide? CH3Mgi. Okay, CH3 Mgi. Methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide. This can be written as C double bond O, carbon dioxide. Okay, about the carbon dioxide we can discuss tomorrow class. What is the structure of carbon dioxide? How much electron occupation? What is the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide? Everything we can discuss the next class. Okay, anyhow, carbon dioxide. Okay, what is the valency of carbon? Carbon valency is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 valencies. So make it clear. Carbon dioxide structure we can discuss later. Anyhow, methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with the carbon dioxide. Okay, here the methyl is break an attachment to the carbon. Okay, then the magnesium iodide is attachment to the oxygen. So the double bond is converted to a single bond. So what is our expected structure product? What is the product means? CH3. This CH3 group is attachment to the carbon. So next you have to write carbon. Above double bond oxygen. Here the double bond is converted to single bond oxygen. The Mgi is attachment here. Mgi, magnesium iodide. Again undergoes hydrolysis with water. Acidified water. Hydrolysis with water. H++ water. Okay. Otherwise write H3O+. Okay. Acidified water undergoes hydrolysis. Okay, adding water. So what is our expected product? Water can be written as OH. So what is the compound? Can you say what is the compound? CH3COOH. What's the compound? CH3 COOH plus MgIOH. What's the name of this compound? Carboxylic acid. We are saying ethanoic acid, otherwise acetic acid. Carbon name is an acetic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Okay, so the four synthetic uses we learned. The four synthetic uses. One is about the preparation of primary alcohol. Second one is the preparation of secondary alcohol. Third one is the preparation of tertiary alcohol. Fourth one is the preparation of acetic acid. The next one is preparation of methyl cyanide. Preparation of methyl cyanide. What is the formula for methyl cyanide? CH3Cn. Commonly we say alkyl cyanide. Alkyl. Can you say anyone alkyl? Anyone alkyl group? Anyone alkyl? Anyone alkyl group? How it is prepared alkyl? Can you say? From the replacement of alkane, one hydrogen atom, we get alkyl. Okay. So the next one is an alkyl cyanide. That is CH3Cn. How is methyl cyanide prepared? That's the question. Preparation of methyl cyanide. Okay. Here we are using methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with cyanogen chloride. Formula is CnCl. Cyanogen chloride. Cyanogen chloride. CYNOGN. Cyanogen chloride. Okay. Cyanogen chloride. What is the formula? CnCl. What is our expected? Which are the reactants? The reactant here. Methyl on reacts with Cn. Okay. Methyl on reacts with Cn. Cn. Okay. So what is our expected product? CH3Cn plus MgICl. Okay, we are expecting only this major product, not about the minor product. So we should not learn about the minor product, only learn the major product. Okay. So preparation of methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. What is the first one? Don't forget that. Preparation of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, carboxylic acid. Next one is the preparation of fifth one. Fifth one is the preparation of methyl cyanide. Okay, fifth one is the preparation of methyl cyanide. Now, preparation of one alkane. Preparation of one alkane. Any one alkane. Can you say any one alkane? Any one alkane. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. These are all what? Alkane. Can you say what is the general formula for alkane? General formula for alkane. General formula CnH2n plus 2. Preparation of alkane. What are the example? Alkane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. What is the formula? General formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkane. General formula. I am taking methane. Okay, methane, that is CH4. Methane. How is alkane, methane prepared by the uses of methyl magnesium iodide? Synthetic use of methyl magnesium iodide. Synthetic use of methyl magnesium iodide. Okay. First I am taking methyl magnesium iodide, CH3MgI. Methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with water. What is the formula for water? H2O. Am I right? H2O is the formula for water. This water can be written as HOH. So, HOH. So, this methyl on reacts with H. The methyl on reacts with H. So what's the product? CH3 plus H. CH4. Is that no? CH4 plus MgIOH. MgIOH. Okay. So we get an alkane. What's the product here? Alkane is called as methane. Don't forget the name is methane. Methane. Okay, very important question. How is methane prepared by the uses of synthetic uses of methane? In methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide on reacts with water, we get methane. Okay. What is the formula for methane? CH4. Okay, my dear children. We learned about that the preparation of Grignard reagent. So, that is for example is CH3MgI. So, Grignard reagent. CH3 example is CH3 methyl magnesium iodide. Preparation of methyl magnesium iodide. First, next one, synthetic uses of synthetic uses, that is the preparation of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, carboxylic acid, etc. Am I right? So the first one, don't forget that preparation of methyl magnesium iodide. Next one is the synthetic uses. Synthetic uses. What are the synthetic uses? One is, so don't forget that, one is the preparation of primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Second one, secondary alcohol. Third one is tertiary alcohol. Okay. Then fourth one is about that carboxylic acid. Next one is alkyl cyanide, methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide, CH3, CN, methyl cyanide. Next one is alkane, CH4. These are the synthetic uses of Grignard reagent. Okay, so please learn this question. Please all of you write the assignment. Don't forget that to write the assignment. Anyhow, today I am giving a small assignment. Okay. What is the assignment means? Preparation of CH3MgI, methyl magnesium iodide. Any two uses uses means any two preparation. Okay, please write the assignment. Any two preparation. So don't forget to learn this question. And already I told you about my numbers. Please write the assignment and send to me. Okay, now my number is 9489340120. All the days you must write the assignment. Okay, then only we can be easily learn. Okay, and if you have time, all of you, thank you. Have a nice day.